Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Today, we are going to work with our book, ELT book, okay? And also with a platform. Let's start this class, okay? Let's know Australia. And we are going to use the quantifiers. Teacher, quantifiers? Yes. Much, many, some, any, a lot of, few, little. Okay, these words we are going to use. To know Australia, we need to know some vocabulary first. Go please to Zoom, go to Anotar, and help me to find these words. Australia, kangaroo, koala, barbecue, boomerang, and didgeridoo, okay? Let's find these words. Oh, very good, Australia. Very good, Camila. Let's find these words. Kangaroo, koala. You know, the typical animals in Australia. Good, Nicolas. Koala. Camila Valerio, good, but only one, okay? Only one time. Didgeridoo. Oh, very good, Santos. Very good. Okay, let's see. Bow. It's not bow. Boomerang. The word is boomerang. Very good, Kayler. Boomerang. Good. Bran, you need to more practice. Okay, you need to practice more. Kangaroo, very good. And barbecue, excellent. Camila, thank you. Giampiero, good. Okay, this is the vocabulary we are going to use, okay? Now, listen and repeat, please. Open your microphones, open. Listen and repeat these words. Open, please. Australia.
Australia.
Listen. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Barbecue.
Didgeridoo. Algo así.
Didgeridoo. Stop. Very good. Stop now. Australia, you know, the smallest continent in the world, Australia. Kangaroo, the traditional animal. Koala, obviously. Barbecue is this, okay? Barbecue. Boomerang, you know, this toy. And finally, teacher, what is didgeridoo? This is a traditional, listen please, a traditional musical instrument from Australia. This instrument, a didgeridoo, okay? A traditional musical instrument. Today we are going to use in the platform these words, huh? These are the quantifiers. Some, many, no? Some, any, much, many, a lot of, few, and a little. We are going to use these words in the platform, okay? Now, let's go to the platform, okay? Today, we are going to work in the Unit 7, Lesson B. Listen this article about koalas, okay? Listen, please.
Koalas. Koalas look like bears, but they are marsupials. The females have a pouch or a pocket, and they keep their babies there. This means that koalas are closer relatives to kangaroos than to bears. Koalas live only in Australia. They spend much of their time in eucalyptus trees. They only need a little water, and they get it from eucalyptus leaves. In fact, koala means does not drink in the Aboriginal language. Koalas are only awake for a few hours every day. They get a lot of sleep, sometimes up to 22 hours a day. Unfortunately, in the past, people killed koalas for their fur. In the 1930s, there weren't many left. But in 1936, people started looking after koalas, and they built lots of wildlife parks for them. So there's hope for these cute little creatures after all.
Okay, this text is talking about koalas. As you can see, looks like a bear, are similar like bears, but they are marsupials. Okay, the characteristic is they have a pouch, a pocket. This is in the stomach. Okay, in their stomach, they have a pouch, a pocket. In this pocket, they keep the babies there. Like kangaroos. The koalas has pocket too, huh? It's not only kangaroos. Okay? Kangaroo means this, no? It says here, does not drink. Okay? Koala, this word, sorry. Koala means does not drink in Aboriginal language. The koalas don't drink water. Okay? They get the water from the eucalyptus trees, for the eucalyptus leaves. Okay? And then this is important information. Listen. Sometimes they can sleep 22 hours a day. You can see? They sleep a lot. 22 hours a day. And only 2 hours they eat. You see? Okay? Then talks about that this animal was in danger, no, because the people killed koalas for their fur. But then the people made national parks to save this animal, to save these cute little creatures. Okay? Now, let's go please to the book now. Let's work in the activities now, okay? In one part, let's work with a book, the real book. You have this. Open, please, page 25. Okay, page 25. 7B. Let's go now to the activities. Okay. As you know, we are going to work in the activity J and in activity K. Now, in the book, we have J and K. Let's listen this conversation. They are talking about Australia. Listen, please, and help me to find the words. Okay? Pay attention. Listen.
Hi, Phil. When did you get back from down under?
A few hours ago.
Are you tired?
A little. I got some sleep on the plane.
So how was it? Hot, right?
Actually, it's winter there.
In July?
Yeah, You see, in Australia, winter is in June, July, and August.
So that means when it's winter here, it's summer there. Cool. So tell me, what's the country like? All desert?
Well, it's dry and hot in most places. Many Australian lakes and rivers don't have much water because there isn't much rain.
And how many people live there?
About 20 million. Do you know what the funny thing is? There are more sheep in Australia than people. In fact, there are 3 times more sheep than people.
Amazing. Tell me, did you go to Sydney?
Yeah, by plane from Perth. It took 4 hours.
From Perth to Sydney? I didn't know Australia was so big. I mean, it's the smallest continent in the world.
But it's also the largest island in the world. It takes 65 hours by car and 36 hours by train from Perth to Sydney.
Amazing, the things that you learn.
Let's listen one more time, okay? In your books is the page 25, okay? In the real book. In the platform 7B, activity J. Listen one more time, okay?
Hi, Phil. When did you get back from down under?
A few hours ago.
Are you tired?
A little. I got some sleep on the plane.
So how was it? Hot, right?
Actually, it's winter there.
In July?
Yeah. You see,
Video.
in Australia, winter is in June, July,
Yeah.
and August.
So that means when it's winter here, it's summer there.
Estoy haciendo inglés.
Tell me, what's the country like? All desert.
Well, it's dry and hot in most places. Many Australian lakes and rivers don't have much water because there isn't much rain.
And how many people live there?
About 20 million. Do you know what the funny thing is? There are more sheep in Australia than people. In fact, there are 3 times more sheep than people.
Amazing. Tell me, did you go to Sydney?
Yeah, by plane from Perth. It took 4 hours.
From Perth to Sydney? I didn't know Australia was so big. I mean, it's the smallest continent in the world.
But it's also the largest island in the world. It takes 65 hours by car and 36 hours by train from Perth to Sydney.
Amazing, the things that you learn.
Tell me, please, the words you hear, okay? What words did you hear? Giampiero, tell me one word. What did you hear?
¿Qué?
¿Qué número me puedes decir, Giampiero? ¿Qué has escuchado? What number?
Mm,
No? For later, okay, Giampiero? Think.
okay.
Continue. Camila Salazar, what number did you hear?
Yes, teacher, the 8.
Yeah, what word is this?
Smallest.
Yeah, I'm going to check it, okay? We are going to check. Thank you. Alessandra, tell me another number. No? David, please.
Quería decir igual que Camila.
Ah, equal to Camila. Okay. Another.
A
David,
few. The one teacher. A few.
a few. Okay. Valeria Mayhuasca, what number?
7, teacher.
What word is Valeria?
Creo que era playing o play, teacher.
Play. Yeah, let's see, okay? Let's see.
Play.
Sumili, tell me.
The 4.
Okay, tell me, what is?
Desert.
Desert, oh, maybe. Yeshua, tell me please. Yeshua, another.
Teacher, number 6.
Okay. 3. The number or this other? Or the plant? The first, I guess, no? Yeah. Camila Salazar, one more time. Tell me.
Yes, teacher, the 3.
Okay. What word is?
Winter.
Winter. Okay. Now we are going to listen to check, okay, if this is correct or not. Let's listen one more time.
Hi, Phil. When did you get back from down under?
A few hours ago.
Are you tired?
A little. I got some sleep on the plane.
So how was it? Hot, right?
A little. I got some sleep on the, this is a word, a transportation, a plane. Do you know this word, plane? An airplane. Okay, Phil is traveling. He was traveling by plane. And he says, I got some sleep on the plane. Okay, let's continue with number 3. Let's confirm. Listen.
Actually, it's winter there.
Oh, sorry.
In July?
Yeah, you see, in Australia, winter.
Winter. Very good, Camila. You says it's winter there. Good. Okay. Feel good. Very good, David. Playing. It's winter there. Good. Let's listen this, okay? The number 4. Listen. Sorry, there is a problem. Let's see.
Hi, Phil. When did you get back from down under?
A few hours ago.
Are you tired?
A little. I got some sleep on the plane.
So how was it? Hot, right?
Actually, it's winter there.
In July?
Yeah, you see, in Australia, winter is in June, July, and August.
So that means when it's winter here, it's summer there. Cool. So tell me, what's the country like? All desert?
Desert. Very good, Sumili. Desert. Let's listen to number 5, okay? Listen. Oh, come on.
Well, it's dry and hot in most places. Many Australian lakes and rivers don't have much water because there isn't much rain.
Tell me, what word is? Alessandra, tell me, what word is?
Much rain.
Much. Yes, there isn't much rain. Thank you. It's okay. Much rain. Okay? Continue. Let's confirm 6, 7, and 8.
And how many people live there?
About 20 million. Do you know what the funny thing is? There are more sheep in Australia than people. In fact, there are 3 times more sheep than people.
3 times. Very good. Very good. 3 times. Continue, okay?
Amazing. Tell me, did you go to Sydney?
Yeah, by plane from
By play or by plane? The word is plane again, okay? By plane. Taking the airplane, by plane from Perth, okay? Let's continue.
Perth. It took 4 hours.
From Perth to Sydney? I didn't know Australia was so big. I mean, it's the smallest continent in the world.
Very good. The smallest continent in the world. Okay. Now, number 9, 10 are numbers. Pay attention. Numbers. Listen.
But it's also the largest island in the world. It takes 65 hours.
What number is? Tell me. It's a number.
5.
Sumili, tell me what number is?
16.
60? 65. Good. 65. And listen the other number, okay? Listen.
Hours by car and 36 hours by train from.
What number? Is another number in English. 36. 36. 65. 36 hours by train. Okay? Now let's continue with the next, okay? With the next activity in your book. The page 26. Work, please, work. Next, 26. We have a word search. Okay? This is about the article we listened, about the koalas, about Australia. Okay? Number 1, who can tell me? Koalas need or drink a little what?
Profesor,
Yes.
he copiado todo como está ahí y me parece que lo mismo es error.
Can you repeat, please, Nicolás?
No, o sea, he copiado igualito y me dice que no es así.
Profe, a mí también me parece, le pongo check, me parece que he hecho todos mal.
Todo.
No,
Profesor,
a mí
a
me
mí
parece el 65.
solo dice 2 errores.
Maybe this is in numbers, okay? Let's check.
Profesor,
Profe, ¿me dejas hacer otra vez la prueba?
65, 36.
No, profe, no es así, sino que dice que hay que ponerle una rayita en vez del espacio.
Oh, slash 65, like this.
Sí, profe, ¿me dejas hacer otra vez la prueba?
Don't worry. Give me send and lock request, okay? Click there, send and lock request. And this is 36, not 36, 36.
Profe, ¿me dejas hacer otra vez eso?
Yes, Nicolás, don't worry, 36.
Ya, profe, te lo estoy mandando.
Okay. Check please this, okay? There is a slash here, it says the platform. Okay. Si te sale todo incorrecto, es una falla de la plataforma. Te va a salir 0%.
Profe,
Me envías
profe,
una solicitud, ¿ok? Valeria, tell me.
profe, ahora que ya lo he corregido, lo que ahorita usted acaba de corregir, profesor, ahora me parece 4 errores.
6, 4.
A mí no, profe, ya me enviaste yo.
Revisa, Valeria, por favor. Tal vez has puesto con mayúscula algo. Algo
A ver,
seguro.
profesor.
¿Ok? Tampoco dejes espacio. No dejes espacio, porque si pones espacio te va a poner como incorrecto. ¿Ok? Let's complete activity K. ¿Ok? In your books, K. If you finish J, help me with K. 1. Koalas drink or need a little. Open your microphones, please. Tell me your ideas. 5 spaces. Koalas need a little.
Babies.
Little babies. No. Drink. Koalas drink a little. The koalas, they don't drink something, okay? Water. The koalas need little water, okay? Water is the word. They get the water from the eucalyptus, okay? 2, female kangaroos, the female have a, in their stomach, they have a, the word is pouch. I'm going to help you, okay? Pouch. This pouch is special for the babies, you know, okay? In English, it's pouch. 3, a big part of Australia is is desert. Okay, all of Australia, this island, the biggest island in the world, is a desert. Okay. Number 4, a didgeridoo. Remember, didgeridoo is a traditional Australian musical what? What is a didgeridoo? Like the guitars, like the violins, the piano. What are those things? A didgeridoo is a traditional Australian musical remember? Instrument, okay? The word is instrument. A didgeridoo is a traditional Australian musical instrument. Barbie is not a doll, huh? Barbie is a Australian word for the food, for the barbecue. Okay? It's the short version of barbecue. A yo is a baby kangaroo. Okay, this is common in Australia. They call the baby kangaroos yo. Yeshua, do you have a question?
Teacher, tengo una pregunta.
Yes.
Number 4. Sí, pues profesor, es de que como no aparecía la línea en mi libro, yo pensé de que ese era de tercero. Me equivoqué. Gracias, profesor.
Okay, yes, be careful with number 4, okay? As Yeshua says, teacher, the space, yeah, there is no space, but instrument is the word, okay? Instrument. 7. In 7, the same, there is no space. The word is flying, okay? There is organization in Australia, a flying doctors organization. They send doctors by plane to help people, okay? Because Australia is very big. So the doctors, they travel by plane, okay? To those far places. A, bush tucker, this word bush tucker is a traditional Australian food, okay? It's a traditional Australian food, bush tucker. In Peru, we have pachamanca, no? Pachamanca is a traditional Peruvian food. In Australia, we have bush tucker. And finally, koalas eat eucalyptus. Yeah, who can tell me this? The number 9. The koalas eat eucalyptus. Tell me, Luana.
Yes, teacher. Leaves.
Leaves, yes. The koalas eat eucalyptus leaves. Okay, good. Complete here and tell me the secret word. What is the secret word? Who can tell me the secret word here? No, no idea? Tell me. Kayler, what? Can you repeat?
No idea, teacher.
No, no idea? Okay, complete please. Tell me, what is the secret word?
Teacher.
Tell me.
Teacher. Australia.
Emily, tell me.
Is Australia.
Australia, yes. Australia, the continent, the city, good. Now, please continue with your activities, okay? Let's work in the platform now. Let's work activity A, B, C, D, E, F, okay? These 6. Now, please, it's your turn. Let's work in the activities. Let's work in the activities, okay? Only listen the text and you complete, okay, with this. Now it's time to work in the activities, okay? This and this we finish, okay? Copy these places in your book, okay? Let's work in the activities A, B, C, D, E, F. Now is your turn. Let's work in the activities. If you need help, okay, if you need help, raise your hand, okay? Also, you can use your glossary, remember, your dictionary. Pouch, for example. What is pouch, teacher? The pocket, no? The kangaroos has a pouch, a pocket in their stomach for the babies. Okay, let's work. Kiara, very good, Kiara. A, B, C, very good. Continue, please, Kiara. Nicolas, good, Nicolas. Continue work, please. Nicolas, 7B, please, okay? 7B.
Ok, profe.
Profe, mi internet está muy lento y no me carga.
Okay, Alejandro, don't worry. I'm going to take your name, okay?
¿Lo puedo hacer más tardecito?
Yes, yes, Alejandro, don't worry. Kayler, let's work, please, Kayler, the activities. Let's work.
Yes, teacher.
The same Bram, please, Bram. Your activities, please, okay? Let's work. Very good, Valentina Warok. Good. Francesca, the activities, please, Francesca. Let's work. Sumili, good. The activities, please, Sumili. A, B, C, D, E, F. Miguel, very good, Miguel. You're A, B, C, good. But take your time, please, Miguel, okay, for the activities. Valerie, good. The activities, please, Valerie, okay? The activity. Dionel, good. Yeshua, let's work, please, Yeshua. Helen, good, Helen. Activity K, please, Helen. The K. Alessandra, good. Let's work, please. Valentina Santos. Axel, good. Camila Valerio. Camila, complete, please. Activity K. Then you continue. A, B, C. Luciana, very good. Continue, please, okay? Giampiero, complete your activities, please, Giampiero. Complete. Work.
Yeah, Profe.
Adriana Arroyo. Adriana, please work in the activities. You can complete K, the activity K. Okay, J and K. Then you continue.
Sir, I got it.
Kayler, good. Bram, let's work, Bram, please. You are not working, Bram. Only one activity. Francesca, let's work. Very good, Sumili, very good. Valerie, let's work. You only finished one. Let's see. Joshua, good. Helen Peña, let's work, please. Let's work in your activities. Axel, very good, Axel. Very good, Luciana, very good. In the activity E, you need to choose the correct option, okay? Much or many, or a lot of. Remember, many for countable, much for uncountable. A lot of is for both, okay? For example, in Australia, people eat a lot of meat. The word meat is uncountable, a lot of. There are beaches and parks. The beaches, the parks are countable. 1 park, 2 parks, 3 parks, many, okay? Because it's countable. The same. You need to notice the difference, okay? Is it countable or uncountable? Continue with your activities, continue. Yeah, the last report, let's see. Nicolas, you're not working, Nicolas. Renato, good. Kayler, good. Bram, you are not working, Bram. David, good. A and B. Francesca, good. Sumili, very good. Miguel, very good, Miguel. You finished almost all. Okay, let's see, Dionel. Valeria, continue with your activities. Okay, we finished, okay? It's time. Don't forget to complete your activities, okay?